I have received these 5 questions from the students and the design enthusiasts. So these are related to the interior design and very interesting questions which we have received through mails. I'll be talking about these questions one by one. Let me talk about this. What are your biggest interior design problems in the profession? I feel time management is one of the biggest tasks in our field. Whether you have to start with the design briefing, you might need to talk about the finances of that project, then the vendor management, cost management. You will be not only designing per se, but you will be also talking about how those designs can be executed, searching for the right vendors, the estimation, getting it done on time. So the time management also comes. So that time management thing is the overall criteria which totally defines the project and overall totally defines the interior design profession. Second is how do I solve it? Basically, I have Google Calendar. I keep marked on my appointments. I talk about. I set everything on schedule. I have meals, so I schedule all those meals as well. I talk to my team in the morning, vendors in the evening. So everything goes one by one. So when we have designed something, it goes to the vendor. They have any questions? They have any questions? They'll get the answer in the evening. So everything is set. I use Evernote or the default phone ka application through which I keep the sketches or the notes in my phone. Second is, can a commerce student do interior design practice? Yes, of course. Commerce students are very good in finance or the calculation. So with designing, it's not only about designing, it's also about management of the finances or the estimation, how you can create those designs which you have thought about into the set budget. And that's where I have seen the commerce students who have joined interior design as a profession, they have excelled, and that changes the overall philosophy of working, and they have been excelling in the field. So definitely commerce students can join interior design. What are the budgeted interior design tips? So if I talk about budgeted interior design practice, I'll say go for minimal styling, minimal expenses. Don't go for maximalism because that is costly. Thirdly, you can go for simpler color schemes, simpler styles. You can purchase the furniture directly, which you are seeing in the showroom or maybe through online marketplaces like Amazon or Pepperfry, and that because that will give you the clear picture of what amount you are going to spend rather than talking about the vendors. What are some of the best interior designers in the world? One of the best, my favorite is Philip Stark. He has designed furniture, he has designed juicer mixer, the citrus juicer. He has designed various unique pieces. His designs are very unique, very chic, and those has been into the European and American museums. So it's kind of impressive style. What are the best books about interior design practice? My one of the favorite is The Elements of Style. That is by Aaron Gates, and that book is all about the design styles. Those are in details techniques of how you can stylize your home, how she approach any project, where she get the decor elements or the items to make the space beautiful. Second book is The Business of Design. That is by Keith Garnett, and he is the one of the founders of Gensler. The Business of Design book is all about the how a company, the branding should be done, how the marketing should be done, and how the practice should run. And it gives a very good knowledge about how to run a firm, how you can manage your team, the time management, the project and design, how to pitch about the project, whether the costing you are submitting or the design fees you are putting, if it's realistic or if it's not. You'll be getting a lot of hints through that, and that's very helpful. Next question is interior design a bit hard? Even if it's my passion, I know it's a bit hard because you have to do a lot of run-ups. You have to start with the coordinating with the design brief which your client will be giving you. Then you design something unique. Next, the challenge is to fit everything into the budget. Next challenge is to execute that project into that budget, and then you have to hand over the project to the client on time. So that overall number of elements which you will be handling in any interior design project, if you are considering making it very, very beautiful, then it's very tough, and it's actually, honestly, it's hard. How do we design office with industrial interior design? So let's skip this question. Next question is, why do people want to get decorated individual home or apartment? Why do people want to get a decorated individual home or apartment? Basically, humans are, as they say, it's all about roti, kapda and makan. So this makan ka thing, that you are earning money to improvise your lifestyle. You spend on food, you spend on your travel, you spend on your money on home. And because I'll say more than 50% of the time in that 24 hours you'll be spending on at your home, and you need a good vibing home as per your taste. It could be cozy, it could be vibrant, it could be energetic, and each individual is different. And that's why the interior design profession is very important, because you are designing the home as per the taste of client or that individual, and that is very important because you are coordinating and working on the thing. Next question is, what are the most important factor that decides the beauty of a room? For the most important part as a architect and interior designer, I feel is the layouting, the planning of the house. Whether it could be the furniture, the circulation areas, the storerooms or the miscellaneous areas, the living room, bedrooms, everything is very important, and you have to emphasize and give a language, design language to the different areas. So the house should look like one single house. It should have its own identity, and it should be unique. And those are some challenges which as a designer we face, but the easiest is, or the most important part is the layouting and setting everything as per the design brief, making it interesting, cozy and nice. And that's all. So I'll be talking to you with the so now we have reached 300 subscribers, thanks to all of you, and we have been growing day by day. I hope you subscribe. If you have not subscribed to our channel, we'll be talking about the next design idea or design strategy for the interior design profession. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. See you.